With few days left for your science examination in class 10th, here are some tips on how to attempt the paper. Focus on revising the most important topics that carry more marks. Go through your notes and revise the concepts that you find difficult. Solve sample papers or previous year's question paper to get an idea of the exam pattern and type of questions that can be asked in the exam. Make sure to manage your time during the exam. Allocate time for each section and question as per their weightage. Attempt the questions that you are sure for first, then move on to the difficult ones. Read the questions carefully and understand what is being asked. Underline the important keywords in the questions to help you answer it correctly. Use diagrams wherever possible to explain your answers. This will help you to present your answers in more concise and clear manner. Make sure to label the diagrams correctly. Label their parts and mention their functions wherever required. Make sure to check your answers before submitting the paper. Check for spelling mistakes, grammar errors, and calculation errors. Stay calm and composed during the exam. Take a deep breath and move on to the next question. Remember, the key to performing well in the exam is to stay calm, revise well, and attempt the question paper with a positive attitude. All the best for your exam.